Whoopee! A magnet, of course. And then drop it down, and it still spins. Very clever idea. Nice one, yes. So these are more toys from 2008. I thought it was 5, but it's 2008. This is an extraordinary optical effect. Martin Gardner and other people have loved this. It's a list of drinks, and this is a rod of glass. And if you look at the words, they're quite normal, but if I cover it with this thing here, if I can get in there like that, it turns upside down. Do you see that? About there. And the next one, whiskey, upside down. Well, if you drink too much whiskey, you'll probably be upside down yourself, actually. There's some rum. I don't think I've ever had that. Not on its own. Tequila. I don't think I've ever had that. I know all about it. Oh. What's that one? Liquor. Oh, well, there we are. But they all turn upside down due to the optics of the glass rod. Now on the back of this is another little load of names. The odd thing about this, well, I'll show you. They should turn upside down. That's what this thing does. But if I look at these words, what's happening here? I would swear that is the right way up. It's not turning upside down, but it has to. Well, I don't know. What about this one? Yes. Icebox. Is it something to do with the turning the card over? No, that's ridiculous. It's not logical. Perhaps it's something to do with the actual words themselves. In fact, that is the case. Every one of these can be turned upside down. You could write that word bed, and well, it'll be the wrong word. It'll be Debs. You go the other way, but it's turned each of these words upside down. The symmetry is in the centre like that. And when you take a word like Coke, it turns it upside down, but because the word's symmetrical, it appears to be the right way up again still. So that's an extraordinary discovery when people who like playful things came across that. So a very clever idea. One is just normal words which do turn upside down. These ones also turn upside down, but you can't believe it because the words are all symmetrical around the middle line and going in between the two. There's other things here which are fun to play with. This is a fairly well-known one. It's made of cardboard, all stuck together in a ring, and you turn it inside out like that, and it turns into another figure. It should be a little bit more. Oh, it's going to stop there. That's right. And then stop. Oh, that's a rather nice position, isn't it? And then that position like that, a bit like a crater. And then that's a nice one too, very nice. And then slap it in a bit, a little touch, and it does that. So it's a really nice fiddly toy for making charming patterns, and endless patterns when you turn it around and round and round, turns inside out, and makes more patterns appear. Very nice indeed. Now on here we've got, well, this is a fairly well-known one, but I've got to show it again because it's such a lovely idea. It's just got that little thing there, which is the switch. When you push it, this is what happens. Let's spot it. Here we go. Push it there. Oh, look at that. Oh, let's do it like this, so it's like a rocket taking off. And once it's there, you can start writing with it. So they made a load of these. I bought about 2 or 3 dozen when I first saw them. This looks different, but in fact it's the same idea. It's got a switch there, you do that, and it closes up again. All in one smooth movement, and start writing. And when you finish, you just push it down, and you close it. Ooh, something's come off there. Very nice design. This is a wonderful thing. The Germans invented this originally, and this is yet another version of the same thing. You squeeze it like that really hard to do that. That's right. And then what we're going to do is a little bit of this to make it stay like that, and stand back. It's getting off like a rocket. Ooh. Spin. Ooh. Ooh. Taller. goodness. No, it's okay. It's not going to fall on my head. Well, the next one I thought I'd bring out because I can't remember. It's nearly 20 years ago since I looked at these last. I can't remember what this is for. This thing here tightens up when you do that, the screw thread, and that squeezes that together. I keep thinking it's something to do with helping old people who've got hands who've got a bit of arthritis in it and can't hold a door handle. There's something looking like this fitted over the door handle. They took it out of their handbag and did that, and it opened the door, and they could keep it in their handbag or in their pocket and open any door of the house as if they were young again. So it's something like that, but I can't see how that's going to work. So perhaps you can, let's call it a whatsit, and ask you if you wouldn't mind trying it out and see if you, through your memory, can remember what it's actually for. It looks very purposely made. And the last one is a delightful trick, or it's a puzzle really. It's an entrapment trick. You have to put this, very often they're pencils these. What you've got to do is, you've got to put it over here like this. You grab a person's lapel like that, and you pull the button screws out like that. You put it to a sofa, you ride it up so it's somewhere, there's the actual buttonhole, and this is where the stick goes in, or the pencil. And it's fairly easy to put in. Sometimes I'm making a bit of a heavy weather of it, but then it's in. All you've got to do is take it out again. Well, that's what I say, but I do have a lot of difficulty with this, because when I put that through that, it's not going to come out. I've got to ride it up there or do something like that. And it's, well, we're practicing this, setting ourselves up for this. I spent about 5 solid minutes trying to remember how I did it. Something like that, or something like that. Ride it back up again, to put it through, see how far we're getting. No, it's still there. It's still too long. Well, if you're getting tired of it, leave me alone and I'll just get on with this, and I'll see you next time. I may have done it by then. Oh dear, how did I do this now? Ride it up here. Can't make that go like that. It's simply pull that through there, pull it out, pull it back. Oh, goodness me. Not working. Oh dear. It's going to be tea time in a minute, so that pulls and it pulls and it. No, I'm not doing that.